Video, I'm going to show you how to set up LeadGram so you can automate your link or not your LinkedIn, your Instagram outreach. So once you've purchased, your account from LeadGram, you're going to receive a link in your email. So once you click on the link, the page will look something like this. Basically, you enter your details that you signed up with. Click on Not a Robot. Click Next. So here they have the explanation of how everything works. And so the way that it actually works is they're gonna send you like some spreadsheets. As you can see right here, you can click here to get a spreadsheet template. I'm gonna click on that and show you how that works. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is click File, make a copy, name it whatever you want. So before we start doing anything else, you want to come up here to share, because you're going to send these back to LeadGram, and they're going to update these into their database. So right now this is restricted. You want to have it so anyone with the link. I choose edit. So that's all set up and done. Just click done. Move myself out of the way a little bit here. So now what you can do is, you see there's the username. So this is where you'd input the usernames of all your targets that you want to message. This is where you'd put your message. So, put your opener here, like, do you offer commercial or residential? And that's a very poor example, guys. Don't go using that thinking it's good. I'm just doing this for this example. So let's just say that these are our usernames. This is Expedia AI, which wouldn't be your username. But let's say we have, we're going to send 30 for this example. So those will be all 30 different usernames. Now, if you want to personalize this and you know their first name or whatever name they go by, you can put it in this column here. Me personally, I don't do that because it's just not needed. And I've gotten, great results without it. Then what you would do, just to be safe, is you would have different variations of this opener, because you don't want to, just be sending the same message over and over and over again, because that will end up getting flagged and it won't be good. So just go to like ChatGPT and type in your opening message and say, give me 5 variations of this message. Just make sure the outputs are what you want. So once you do that, you would just scroll down. So you would have your 30 openers. If you want to leave a comment on one of their posts, you can put that whatever you would comment right here. Personally, I don't use that feature. This is where you can choose to follow the account or not. And also, if you're commenting on the account, you're going to need this clicked off as well. But like I mentioned before, I don't use that feature. So then we can go to the follow-up tab. So once again, you would put their usernames, and then you would put the follow-up message. So, are you guys still in business? And by the way, this is a good follow-up message. I use this all the time, and I get tons of replies out of it. So the same thing, you would want to have like variations of, are you guys still in business? Not just the same message. And we'll just say that we're doing 30 for this example again. Those would all be 30 different usernames, of course. Then you would have your message, 30 different variations of the same message. And then that would do your follow-ups for you. Now, memes, I don't use this at all, so I can't really tell you much about it. If you do want to know more about memes, you could reach out to LeadBook and they'll tell you how it works. And then there's the settings. So you want to skip private accounts because you're not going to be able to do anything with that. And for safety, you want to put this to 5. So what's going to happen is there's going to be 450 seconds per DM in between actions. And then this here is how many DMs you want to send. So let's say your account is fully ramped up and good to go. You could do 50. And that's it for setting up your template. So then what you would do is go back to here. Oh, sorry about that. First of all, you would grab your spreadsheet link. You would copy it. You would go back here to your basically onboarding page. You would paste your link right here. And then you'd click submit. I'm not going to do that because I'm already set up. So that's it for setting up LeadGram. Now let me show you how to use it. So what you need to do is once you're all set up, you need to make sure that you have your sheet open. So as you can see, these ones were already a success. I already sent people these message. But then from there, you're also going to need your profile open. So you need to, oh, I already have Instagram open. Then you need to have your Instagram profile opened up. So just remember, for this to work, you have to be logged in to whatever Instagram profile you want to use. So what you would do is you would log in through Hide My Account. I'm not going to go through all that right now just because I don't want this video to be forever. But you would log in through Hide My Account like I showed you in the previous video. So once you're logged into your account, you would have it open. You would have your sheet open. So you have one sheet per profile. So if you have 5 accounts with LeadGram, you would have 5 different spreadsheets with all different information, of course. So now what you can do is you can click on the browser, or not the browser, sorry, the extension, and you can click this run button. So as you can see, it's opening up. And it says bot activated successfully. So it's going to start working. I'm going to close that because I already messaged those people and I don't want to send the same message again, even though their system might not allow it, but this is just an example. So that's how you use LeadGram. And if you have any questions or anything like that, just shoot me a DM. Okay guys, later.